Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain how to charge your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus with another device wirelessly. So if another device that you want to use to charge your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus supports the reverse wireless charging, then you can go into that device. Then go to settings like battery most probably and enable wireless reverse charging. Sometimes you can also add it to the control center. So here I don't have it yet, but if I click on the edit button on different phones it'll look differently. You can click on plus and maybe you can find it somewhere here, like for example here. Now as I exit editing, as I save it, now I can disable or enable it. I have it enabled now, so I'm gonna just put the Samsung on the back of this device and it'll start charging, although I have a case that may be a bit of a problem with the wireless charging, but I think it will be charging anyway, or maybe not, so I'll just take the case off if it's not glued on. Yeah, it's not glued on, so I can just remove it easily. And now I can just place my Samsung on it. And let's see if it charges. It doesn't, but... okay, now it is charging. So that's how you do it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.